to hit him.
You have the key card.
Sorry, didn't know we were here. My gun was making a lot of noise.
Where were they?
Still shooting at us up by the yellow building up over here. Broke me. Both got snipers. Get the Pellington. That thing's a bag of dicks.
Yeah, I know, but I broke his armor.
I can't use that thing to save him. Hold it. I'm inside. Are you gonna watch him? Oh, yeah, it's open.
Yeah.
Do whatever you want. I was just asking you a question. I was
No, I'm coming.
saying like, hey.
I just didn't want to break out a minigun. Armor box.
Why couldn't we get like something cool?
Self-revive. Natural. Did you get a satchel already?
Sure.
There's no... Jesus. We got a lot of money.
Yeah, I'll go down straight down over here and buy us a loadie. Pop it?
Yeah.
Back. I'm gonna buy a UAV and pop that.
I'm gonna get a cluster.
Worried about?
Did you just get clustered?
Yeah, because I froze on the fucking loadout.
UAV entering the AO.
Safe, I'm safe.
Alright, I gotcha.
These glitches in this game are unbelievable. I didn't get my loadout yet either, so hopefully I don't freeze again.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Got it from somewhere across the way. Cool. Glad you didn't lock up on me again, game. Got a plate, then we gotta get out of here, huh? Gonna go to that truck to our left here and get the fuck out of here and run.
Yeah. I'm getting another...
Being shot at from where?
I don't know. Down below.
Oh, damn. We gotta get out of here, sure. I don't have the weapons to fight this.
I know. I got a plate up. What was that?
Hit, I think. I don't know.
They just...
You guys?
Yeah, I just airstruck it.
Fighting each other. Is that you? Nice.
That was me.
Get anybody?
Yeah, I downed a guy right here.
Pushing that, pushing that.
Kill confirmed.
Limbs. Nice freaking job, bro.
Helicopter.
He flew by, he flew by. He didn't stay.
Trophy system
Oh, he's still here. He is still here. Let's get in the structure and get the fuck out of here.
I need a plate. Coming.
Lay down.
Yeah, I'm trying. Car coming.
Lay down, Jimmy! Oh, vehicle ahead of us? Vehicle ahead of us. If you want to up on top, you can shoot at him. He's straight ahead of us. There's also a guy gulagging in straight ahead. Got out, he got out. Oh, I just missed that dude.
I didn't know you stopped.
No, I had to. I didn't want you to get fucked up. There's a guy ahead of us and this guy behind us.
Yeah. Laying down, plating.
No problem, no problem. Vehicle coming.
I need to reload the... Watch out, there was a guy There were guys shooting over in that direction.
Coming out of this house right here.
No, what in the
Elim?
world?
Down Elim.
He stole our truck.
Oh fuck me, really?
Yeah. Whew.
All right. You have what do we got here?
There's
do we have
another
enough for
loadout.
like? Does that guy have money that we killed?
No, it doesn't look like it. He has plates though.
Popped off on plate. $12.
This
If you
box.
give me your money, I can buy munitions.
Okay, hold on. There's a box in here somewhere. Maybe upstairs.
You guys both are gonna get beat when I'm done with this game. Because I told you to leave the dogs alone for the 1,000th time.
Coming to you. Where are you?
You
Oh.
just drop that ahead of me here.
Here. Vehicle. They're gone. Here's money.
We gotta get our ghost up there. There's some plates here, dude. 5 of them.
Hostiles in the area.
Where's the plates? Got it.
Out front here, right there. Right here, and I'm gonna drop our munitions.
Moving up.
Ghostages real quick. Hopefully I don't freeze.
2 boxes.
Gas is moving.
We both have 1 kill, but it
Good on
seems like we...
zone. We've only got 1 kill each? Oh
Yeah.
my lanta. I feel like we should have like 20 each.
That box
Game
is
has been
still
like
there.
non-fucking stop.
Was that your glass?
Yeah, recon nearby.
Getting shot from somewhere.
Fucking dude was ready for me. He literally, as soon as I crested that hill, he was. Tell him
went
I'm
out-
gonna pick his ass up.
He went out the back door. I'm cycling left. I have an ammo box, by the way. He's gone.
Yeah, stand by. I'm in the deck. Thing. All right, cool. Sounds good. We're getting hit from all directions. Guys from across the way, up on the hill. Copy. Shot from across the fucking wall. You're looking at me. Don't go out the back. Let's hop
Yeah.
in this car and get the fuck out of here, sure. All right? Push these dudes
Go
across
up.
the water. Fuck it. Let's kill them.
Okay. They just hopped into a
They're in a
car.
vehicle too. Hate these assholes. Down 1. I don't know. Are you got an Elim? This is fun. Get up! Get up, baby! Oh yeah.
Disabled vehicle.
Oh, how did I not run that guy over?
Actually, you're so fucking annoying.
Bunch of us. Hopping out.
Where is he?
Broke. He's inside.
Enemy UAV
Around the back.
overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
Inside fire. He's inside fire.
Mark out. Moving.
Got him. I need to plate.
Enemy UAV overhead.
That was awesome.
I
was
jumped
like,
out.
You know what? They're in the open. Let's go